all good things take time. And while the Elysium Palm on 5th Parklands Avenue has taken quite a bit of time, it is truly a masterpiece. But just to set your mind at ease, this is the monthly progress report. As for the interior painting work, we are currently on the 10th floor. The plaster work is currently on the 14th floor. Aluminium work is on the 8th floor, with tiling currently on the 7th floor. The wardrobes have been fitted all the way to the 4th floor, and we are completely done with all the partitioning of the individual units. As you can see, the show house is also complete, so you can reserve a visit with us. But just to remind us, this property is a 4, 5 and 6 bedroom unit with amazing amenities. And to mention just but a few, we have CCTV, borehole water supply, ample parking space, a mini mart, and so many more that you could enjoy. So to reserve a unit here, you can dial 0703 888 222 or 0713 888 222. Maestro Homes, exquisite property, exquisite value.